I purchased this property behind me sight unseen. This one was pretty bad. When I first came up here, there was a van out here. There was all kind of trash all the way down the side of the yard here. Before I entered, I was a little bit scared to enter because it looked like somebody may be in there, but I asked the neighbor over there, I said, what do you know about this house? They said, well, I've seen the police over there a few times. I know they had 3 big dogs that were living inside. I thought, oh my goodness, this is gonna be a fun one. I'm gonna take y'all back today and show y'all the before and now the afters because I've just finished this reno. Y'all come on, let's take a look around. Come on. Not too good. I'm gonna show you how we converted this home to 3 bedrooms. This was originally a 2-bed, 1-bath. I'm gonna show you how we removed a wall in the living kitchen area and completely opened it up. So this was a little bit weirder of a home, I would say. It was a brick home. I thought the brick looked okay, but after looking further, I realized we gotta put a coat of paint on that brick. We gotta make it look better. I decided to go with the farmhouse theme. We went with an off-color white. We went back with the farmhouse shutters. I really like how the front of this home turned out. I really like this color theme, black roofs, off-white color, farmhouse shutters. Something weird was going on over here. At one point, maybe they tried to enclose this side of the carport. I didn't like that. They had even built some bricks up right here. It was weird what was going on. But I had my people come in, completely remove this wall. We installed some columns back on this side to completely open up the carport. Whoever lived here previously was not the cleanest individual, I'd say. There was trash all over the place back here. There was a makeshift shelter that had been built on the back of this home. I wasn't sure right off what I wanted to do with it. Initially, I thought maybe we should rebuild it. Maybe we should keep it here. But after looking further, I thought, let's just get rid of this thing completely. Open it back up. So that's what we did here. We completely got rid of it back here. And then right over here, again, the previous owner, I would say, not the most cleanly. Years of trash was stacked up over here. After I purchased it, I really realized just how much after I had my guys come out here and start cleaning this side. But something interesting as well is they actually left us a work van up there at the front of the home. I don't know what happened there. But let's get on to the inside. I'm gonna take you back to what I originally saw and show you the finished product. All right, come on in. When I first entered in, I was hit with dog. The owner over there, he was right. Evidently, the previous owner had 3 big dogs. I was hit with a dog smell. This one was pretty nasty. But something that stuck out to me is all the drywall was in really bad shape. It was done makeshiftly. So usually what you have on the ceilings texture was on the walls. None of it looked right. I thought initially, as usual, I'm gonna try to cut down on the budget, work with what I have. After looking further, not a possibility. We ripped all this drywall out, walls and ceiling. We completely started over. We installed new drywall all the way through. But something that I'm excited about on this home is just how we were able to open this up and transition this from a closed floor plan to a completely open floor plan. So used to, there was a wall that came out right here. This kitchen felt boxy. We completely got rid of this wall, brought it back, and then the main wall right here, we completely dropped, shorted up in the attic, and really opened this up. Brand new cabinets, new stainless steel appliances, as I usually like to go with. All new LED canvas sleek lighting throughout. Now come on back here, I want to show you what we did to these bedrooms. As I mentioned, this was a 2-bed, 1-bath. I usually like to try to add a bath. We didn't have room, but I certainly wanted to add a bedroom if I could. We were able to accomplish that. So right here, I had my guy drop a wall. I wanted to make sure that we had adequate space in each of the bedrooms. We did. He dropped the wall right here. An appraiser says that a bedroom has to have a closet. We were able to accomplish that. Each of these bedrooms have closets. They're adequately spaced. So now this is a 3-bed, 1-bath. So this isn't a large bedroom, but for this size house, this is an adequately sized bedroom. My guy did a good job on this particular one, measuring out the walls and making sure, again, that these bedrooms were proportioned well. This bath right here, we came in here, new vanity, new toilet, new shower, made this bathroom brand new. As usual, I went with new carpet in the bedrooms, LVP waterproof flooring throughout the rest of the home. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this one. A disgusting house turned beautiful. This particular one here, I was right on timeline. About 120 days, I purchased this house for $20,000. Total budget, $65,000, all in $85,000. Projected sale price, $130 to $150. You can do the math on the profit. I'm happy with what my guys did on this one. I'm happy to see the finished product. I hope to have it sold soon. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching.